Hello, and welcome back to Easy Checked In. My name is Vin, and today we're going to be going over how to make your online bookings private. You might be wondering, what exactly does this entail? This means that there may be times that you wouldn't want your customers to be able to book their appointments without you. Whether your schedule is already full for your staff members, or you just feel as if it's not a great time to take online bookings. Turning on online bookings to private allows only you or your staff members to book when your customers call in. Another way of saying this is that only you or your staff members can book online. In order for this to happen, you're going to want to log in through your owner portal. Once you've done so, you'll be introduced to the dashboard. Underneath the Manage category, you want to click Profile. Scroll down through your profile and you'll see a bunch of different settings you can have for your business. In this case, private online booking only. You'll want to check this box, click Yes, and then click Save. This gives you complete control of your schedule. Besides that, all other calendar functions are the same. If you want to see how this works, click Online Booking on the left side tab, then click As Customer. You'll see here that they're greeted to a message. Sorry, the online booking for the shop has been discontinued. If you have any questions, please contact your service provider. As mentioned, this can be turned off and on whenever you please and is really beneficial for your business. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for other tutorial videos.